Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11 computer. So to do so, go to the start menu and then open Windows 11 settings. So click on settings over here, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings. Now go to personalization, click on it and then go to colors, and then now over here you can see the option we say choose your mode. Right now in my case it's light is selected, so you can go ahead and click on this drop down option and then you have to go ahead and select dark, and this will go ahead and enable the dark mode on your Windows 11 computer. You can also enable the dark mode using the theme option over here. So go to personalization once again and then click on themes, and over here you will see all kinds of mode over here. So here right now in my case it's Windows Light selected over here, so you can go ahead and select Windows Dark. So click on it and this will go ahead and enable dark mode on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.